Hey everyone friends, this is Wyler's channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on your mic in Roblox. Alright, so first open Roblox and we need to go to settings. Click the more button, then click on settings here. And here we're looking for privacy and content restrictions. There it is. So here we've got communications and voice, well, chat and voice data usage. Make sure all of this is enabled along with chat. Now when I join any game, let me pick one of these. Not sure which one. Once you're in the game, press escape, go to settings, and there's voice chat. Yeah, mine's connected. Here we select connected, then choose your microphone here. For me it's 5 and which button will turn it on? So I've selected it. Next just click help and find your button to turn on the mic. There, and then just use it. That's it. This was Wyler. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.